Welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a super easy paper fan. This is what the finished product is going to look like. The materials you'll need for this video are a popsicle stick, a piece of cardstock, and something to color and draw with. First, what you're going to do is put your two pieces of cardstock right on top of each other, and then you're going to cut out the shape you want your fan to be. I recommend not doing too many different details, something just nice, round, smooth, kind of like this shape, or maybe like a heart since it has a round top. Yeah, something like that. This is the shape I cut out. Next, you're going to color, draw, write something on both sides. So my sides are going to be like this and like this. So I'm going to I'm going to color on this side because this is the side that will be showing. And then on this side because this will be the side that's showing. I finished the first side of my fan, and you can also just keep the other side blank, but I'm going to do two different sides. And we're going to line them up, flip it over just to make sure I color it on the right side, and do this like Now that I finished my second side, which is a big flower, we're going to make sure they fit together. And then what we're going to do is grab our popsicle stick and then our glue stick, and you can use hot glue, glue stick, school glue, whatever you want to use. And then we're going to glue around the edges of like that. And then we're also going to put some on the inside, just like so. Then we're going to put some on the tip of our popsicle stick, which is where we're going to be placing it. So we'll put it right there. Get our other sheet and set that right on top. Now you're just going to want to press down on the middle, on the popsicle sticks, on the side. And then, there you go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!